What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today we have a new contender in the headlight game for the 5th gen 4Runner, and it is probably one of my favorite currently. So let's take a look at it. Before we get into the headlight, I want to show you the sweet build we did here. This is a black 5th gen 4Runner with a kilo roof rack from up top Overland with some Baja designs linkable across this top, and then king shocks, some SSW wheels, Total Chaos upper control arms, C4 front bumper with the Baja Designs S8 with the backlighting on, as you can see here, and it matches the DRL on these headlights perfectly. So these headlights are made from form lighting, which is newer than Alpha Rex Morimoto to the market, but you can see here, let me turn the brightness down so you can kind of see the lines on this. So there's actually 3 projectors in there. 2 of them are low beams. The third one comes on when the high beam gets triggered, and then you are able to select white or amber DRL, and obviously we went with amber because those lights up there are amber, these down here are amber, the fog lights are amber, everything's amber, so they look amazing. So amber side markers, amber DRL, you can switch that on the back of the headlights. You can disconnect or connect them to change from white to amber. And then obviously the housing of these are black, so way better than factory as far as looks, just from changing the chrome to all black. And I really like there's almost no chrome at all, even around each light. And I'll turn these lights off in just a little bit, but the design of these headlights are my favorite, just because it's a very simple straight line across the top, and there's actually 2 lines down here, a single slimmer line and then a thicker line to kind of fill in this design from the 4Runner headlights from factory. So they did a really good job with the design, and then around here they made this side marker which ties everything in really well, and it follows this curvature of the headlights extremely well. And with the headlights off, you can see the black housing really well. The side marker is still amber just because that's kind of an OEM look, and honestly I prefer that over just like a smoked side marker. And then in here, all the projector housing or like case or whatever you want to call it is black as well, so there's no chrome in here. The only thing that's kind of a clear piece is obviously the DRL on top, and then the DRL pieces on the bottom. So very cool styling even when the headlights are off. And then over here we have some fin designs, just add a little bit more of a nice touch to it. And just like all the other headlights on the market, this one also has a startup sequence. So we're going to start it up and see what that looks like. So what you saw there, basically is the sequential turn signal is just running from one side to the other and then slowly increasing the intensity of it. And honestly, that's super clean, and it doesn't go on for too long. I've seen some taillights and some headlights out there that just do this super long startup dance, and it's just hilarious how long it is, but that's nice and clean. Lastly, the install of these headlights is extremely simple, just like all the other headlights on the market. Full plug and play. There is also the startup sequence module that is in here, so you can hook that up to your fuse box if you don't have DRL, and that way you can have the DRL function and the startup sequence and all that good stuff. So I'll have a product link to these headlights down in the description if you wanted to take a look at that. And if you are not subscribed to the channel already, please do so and let us know what you guys want to see. We'll see you guys in another video.